When you invest in something, be it a stock or a bond, at the very minimum you hope to get your initial investment back plus something a little extra for your trouble. This little something extra is called income. Now, you may choose to spend it as it comes in, but you can also reinvest that income so that your invested capital grows. It means that the interest you make is not just on the initial investment, but on the added income too, leading to some serious growth. This is essentially the magic of compound interest. Let's have a look at how you can make compound interest work for you and your kids.